So today we are going to be unboxing the QKI Advent Calendar for 2023. I nearly said 2022. This Advent Calendar costs £16, so it's like virtually on the £15. It's just like a pound over the £15 mark, so it's really budget friendly. I love the design of this year's like Advent Calendar. I think it's so pretty, very much like the next Advent Calendar that had such a beautiful design. I love the design of it. Love it. Yeah, but we're going to unbox it anyways. I'm just going to unbox it here and we're going to see whether it's worth it. This works out at 66 pence a day, so I mean, like, it's like really it's like low in price per day. So we're going to unbox it anyways. Let's get into it. I bought this from a site called JD Williams. I will link it down below. I ordered the Technic, this one and the Sunkist one, all from JD Williams, just so I could get the same postage, and to be honest they seem to be the cheapest there. So we are going to unbox it. So we're looking for day number 1. I will say it's very hard to find the days on this. Day number 1 is here. I'm actually kind of sad about unboxing this because it's so pretty. So the packaging of the actual item has this beautiful like iridescent, very much like the Sunkist one, and it has like the design of the calendar, like the celestial stuff, and then so does the product. How stunning is that? That is a little eyeshadow quad. That was with day number 1. The day number 2 is this big square in this corner, which I think I know what this is, to be honest, from opening previous years. Yeah, it is. Oh, and I love the design of the outer packaging of this year's. So this is like a quad, and you make your own little quad up. Now, I did have my previous ones because I have actually used these and made them up. But I just recently gifted them along, like passed them along to like one of my friends' little kids to play, like for play makeup. Yeah, so you basically put your little eyeshadows in there, like your eyeshadow quad. Then you've got your own little travel palette, which I think is fab, and this year's design is beautiful. So that was day number 2. Day number 3 is a lipstick. It doesn't say whether it's like a matte or anything like that, but it's like a brownie nude. It's a brown toned lipstick. Normally the lipsticks from these Advent calendars are very creamy, really quite nice quality actually, considering the price per day. So that was 3. We went to day number 4, which is up here. We have got a 2-product day, but it's not the best day. We have got a sharpener and a brush. I must admit this Advent calendar is cheaper than the Sunkist Advent calendar, and in the Sunkist Advent calendar these were separate, and this is cheaper than the Sunkist. That's what the brush is like here, and then it's got a really nice toned navy colour sharpener. I'm not the biggest fan of this day, honestly. Even at 60 something pence, I just don't think that's worth it. But yeah, we'll just move on from that. That was day number 4. To day number 5, which is here. Ooh, we have got a blusher. Now this looks stunning. I'm not going to lie, this is beautiful. And look at the imprint in this. How pretty is that? I mean, who wouldn't want that? Let's have a swatch. I'm not swatching where the moon is. That is so pretty. That is such a pretty shade. Okay, I really like that. I'll get me with Celestial anytime. I love a bit of Celestial stuff. That was day number 5. We went day number 6, which is here. We have got something that I'm not the biggest fan of. I just don't see the point of them. This is like a lip gloss, lip balm squad thing. And this is what it looks like here. Not for me, to be honest. Not a product I would personally use. I remember when I was younger, my mum would have these like gloss lipstick little palettes and stuff. I feel like it's definitely more of a thing that was a thing in the past. Probably come back now. That was day number 6. We went to day number 7, which is here. Our first really rippy day. And this is it. Here it's the same like beautiful celestial iridescentness on there outside, and then it's a full shimmer quad. I'm so sorry about the dry skin on my hands. It is disgusting. Yeah, that's why my nails are short. Honestly, it's just like it's my dry skin has started. I can't do nothing about it. Yeah, so that is that one there. It's a beautiful, actually beautiful. So that's day number 7. We want day number 8, which is this one down here. So I'm guessing maybe a mascara because of the shape. I've got a lip liner and it's got really nice pretty packaging on it, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's in a nice brownie tone, maybe to go with the lipstick. Number 9 is right above it. We have got another eyeshadow quad. This is what it looks like here. Oh, how stunning is that shade there. Beautiful. Really nice dark smoky eye with that one. That was 9. We went day number 10. Another one of these ones, so I'm guessing a lip liner then. Day number 10 is another lip liner, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I would say it's in more of a peachy tone. Same beautiful pretty packaging. Love the packaging. We wanted day number 11 is right here, so it was right near it. Oh, we have got the most stunningest nail polish. Look at this nail polish. I'm sorry. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is a Christmas nail polish. So it's a clear nail polish. So it's like a sheer wash of nail polish. You could probably build it up a couple of coats to look like that though. That is gorgeous. I'm not going to lie. It's been a while since a nail polish has made me go, and that is beautiful. Beautiful. So Christmassy as well. But you could use it in the Halloween season too. So that's day number 11. We want day number 12, which is here. Day number 12 is a lip brush. So I suppose they're thinking about the lip palette, and then a double eyeshadow applicator sponge thing. Yeah, I'm not going to say much about that, but let's just say I don't like it. Day number 13, which is up here. Oh, now this is like my tones in an eyeshadow little quad. This is like a cool tone. If it didn't have that lilac, this would be the one for me. Little eyeshadow quad. It's got a really glittery shimmer, then a shimmer, and then this is like a matte with tiny flecks of glitter through, and then another matte there. Really quite pretty. We want day number 14, which is here. We have got a squeezy tube lip gloss. I definitely think this is worth the cost of the day because it's like a full size lip gloss. Really quite a nice shade. Whether I would say it's a Christmas wintry shade, but then again I wouldn't really want to wear a Christmassy wintry shade in a lip gloss formula, to be honest. So yeah, that is that one. Day number 15 is another squeezy tube lip gloss in this nude tone. Is a bronzer, and it's got that same beautiful moon again. Actually love this like design of this calendar. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch it for you and anyways, because it's gonna go in my little quad, and that is the bronzer there. It's very light. If it wouldn't work for you, you could maybe use it on your eyes or something like that. Really quite nice. It seems like it would blend nice enough as well. And I probably would have had a better swatch if I wasn't trying to not wreck the moon. That was 16. We want day number 17, which is here. We have got another eyeshadow quad. I feel like the eyeshadows in this have been very dark. It's probably to go with the theme of this calendar. But that is what it looks like there. Really pretty. I just haven't found one that I want in my little quad that I'm making. Right, that was 17. We wanted day number 18, which is this one here. Another lipstick, and this is in a very red shade, like a very red shade. That is what it looks like there. We want day number 19, which is this one up here. Oh, this is a bit of a letdown compared to the last nail polish. The last nail polish was like stunning. And then we get this not very pretty pink shade. Number 20 is this eyeshadow quad here. Really quite pretty. I actually really like this. I feel like this is, it's got like 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So if you're a matte girl, I feel like this is nice. And QKI eyeshadow quality is okay, to be honest. It's no Natasha Denona, no Urban Decay, but for the price you're paying, it's like, you know, quite airy. So we want 21 up here in the top. We have got another eyeshadow quad. They're not shy on the eyeshadow quads, I'll give them that. And this is what it looks like here. I would say this is very summery because of that orange there. Very pretty though. Overall, really nice. In number 22 is their highlighter, and it's got that lovely moon design again. This doesn't look very shimmery. Honestly, it almost looks like a powder. It's like not got much shimmer to it at all. Wait there, but the swatch, yeah. So like to me, I would say that's like an illuminating powder. Oh, well, actually, it's got no shimmer to it. It's got not a fleck of glitter in this, but it is definitely highlightery. I'm quite excited to try that. I like a highlighter that doesn't actually have a shimmer. It does have a pink hue though, but I feel like that's to go with the theme of the calendar. 22, we're on day number 23. So this is the day before the last day because this is only a 24 calendar. We have got a mascara. I mean, the packaging on this mascara in itself is stunning. These mascaras, the wand is always the same, so I'm not going to open this, but it's just a little standard mascara wand. Yeah, if I can get a picture of the previous advent calendars, like styles, it'll be exactly the same. They always are. I can tell by the packaging it is, but I mean, it's so pretty, like so pretty. Day number 24, the last day, we've got an all matte eyeshadow quad. And this is what it looks like here. That's that advent calendar done. I literally just unboxed the Sunkissed advent calendar before I unboxed the QKI one. There's about £4 in difference in price, and honestly the QKI one is so much better than the Sunkissed one. In my opinion, it's actually unreal. I think it's worth the price. I honestly don't know. I feel like it has to be down to you. I feel like overall, you're getting a good amount of mix of products, and for £16 isn't a lot these days, in my opinion. I mean, honestly, you can't get a lot for £16 now. Yeah, but I do think it's not bad, and for the age range it's aimed at, I feel like it's alright. And I actually would probably have got this for Megan if she was 8, 9 or 10, you know, 10, 11. So yeah, I actually don't think it's too bad. I actually quite like it because it's £16. £16 is basically nothing. I have made my little quad up and all. I wanted to show you. I decided I've done it. So I'm going to swatch the eyeshadows out of the ones that I've decided to keep. Here, I don't even want to touch them because I don't want to wreck the design. I know that's sad. Just because I want to show you like the quality of the QKI eyeshadows. So these are what the eyeshadows look like. Granted, I have done the tiniest of swatch because I didn't want to wreck the little design, and then that's them like a bit more blended in. I mean, how stunning is that shade there? So yeah, I think I've made my little quad up. I'm quite excited. If you want me to use this quad in like a get ready with me, I definitely will do that. And then this nail polish is stunning. I just wanted to point out like my favourite little items. So overall, I mean, it's not the most exciting advent calendar for someone my age, but if you were younger, I feel like you would really like this, because even on the gimmicky days, they kind of doubled them up. So they weren't so bad, but they were still bad, you know. They weren't the best, but they weren't the worst. Yeah, so I think for the age range this is aimed at, and for the price point, I don't think it's too bad actually. I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you would subscribe down below. I've got loads of advent calendar unboxings coming, and yeah, I would yeah, and I'll see you all in my next one.